the city, when the DSNY shut down the composting program for the city, the larger, we saw a need to kind of compost locally, and so we worked to get one of these rocket units installed to help us compost here on site locally. And the rocket works really well for us because it does kind of save labor, and it's kind of a enclosed in-vessel cyclical system that cuts down on labor costs as well as operation costs. What we do is twice a week we have a food scrap, we're a food scrap drop-off site, and so what we do is we collect compost Monday and Thursdays from the general public, and then what we do is we add a ratio of 1 to 1. We add 1 bucket of the food scrap and 1 bucket of the mulch into the machine, which can hold 500 gallons. And since June 1st, since we started the program, we've diverted almost 20,000 pounds of food scraps from the landfill using this composting machine here. Mainly here, what we're doing, we're processing bread, fruits, vegetables, and coffee grounds primarily. So Domino Park is run by a private developer, Two Trees Management, who is in charge of kind of the larger overall waterfront development here. And the company is really dedicated to the community and also to sustainability. And so being able to compost on site was kind of a natural fit to our sustainability goals here in the park. After it runs through the composting cycle, we let it cure for another 30 days. And then the finished product we offer back to the community so they can take it home. It's very rewarding to drop off your food scraps and immediately pick up a finished compost product that you can then use on your gardens. In addition to that, we use Domino Park compost on all the gardens here, so the gardens are all organic. I think, where we are, I think there's no reason for food scraps to end up in the landfill. A third of all waste, human-generated waste, is food scraps, and we should be composting all of those. And so I think when you have smaller scale kind of systems spread out in individual companies, the private sector can really take a lead on pushing that whole sustainability movement forward. And composting is one of the easiest ways that we can help the environment is by composting our food scraps. So yes, everybody should be doing it.